Hi, my name is Brad Dwin, and I'm the owner of Brad Buys Houses. And I don't actually want to buy your house. Let me say that again so you understand what I just said. I don't want to buy your house. What do I want to do for you? I want to solve a problem that you might have with your house. Perhaps you don't want to sell your house with a realtor for various reasons. Maybe it needs a lot of repairs, or you don't want to pay closing costs, or you need a fast sale. What if you inherited a house? Maybe you don't know what to do with it and you just want to sell it quickly. Or perhaps you're a landlord and you're tired of dealing with tenants who aren't paying rent. I can solve all those problems for you. If you have any reason at all that you want to sell your house quickly and painlessly, I want you to give me a call. My number is 240-424-0423. Or you can fill out the easy form on my website, www.webuymdhomes.com. Let me solve a problem that you might have with your house, so please give me a call or visit my website today.